Hey guys, it's RainyDayDolls. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm giving you my top 5 tips that I use when filming a stop motion in order to stay motivated. Motivation is key to filming a stop motion, but it's also really hard to have motivation. So I thought I would share with you some tips that I've learned over the years, or some things that I do in order to stay motivated. And I really hope that these tips help you guys out, and let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is planning. Whether it's writing the script, planning the costumes, or building/sketching out the set, planning is important while filming a stop motion. I've also found that when I plan out a part of a stop motion, I get excited to see it come to life. The other night I decided to draw out a set, and this kept my mind on the AGSm movie I was filming the rest of the day. I couldn't wait for the next day to start filming. Planning also helps you have an idea of how your stop motion will turn out. Tip number 2 is taking breaks. The process of filming a single scene in a stop motion can take hours, so it's definitely okay to take a break. I like to finish a scene before I take the break. What I've learned is when you take a break, do something somewhat productive. The reason I don't get a bunch of scenes done in a day is because I'll take a break, which really means laying on my bed on my phone. Eventually, I'll get comfortable laying on my bed and all my motivation for that day will be gone. Really, the only times I take breaks are when my camera battery needs to charge. The battery takes 1 to 2 hours to charge, so in that time I plan out a stop motion a little more. It's perfectly fine to relax and watch TV, YouTube, or read a book. Just realize when you start to get comfortable and are losing your motivation. Tip number 3 is having a clean area to film your scene. Before I film a stop motion, I clean up my room. This is really up to the person, but in my opinion, if I have a bunch of random things on my floor, I feel like I can't focus. Obviously, your filming space will get messy with all the props, dolls, and costumes that you're using, but I like to remove all the things I'm not using. When I take apart a set to build a new one, I usually put the furniture under my bed and the accessories in a designated container. Your filming space doesn't have to be completely clean. I just prefer a wide open, clean space to film. Also, going back to the taking a break tip, you can do this part while you're taking a break to get motivated again. Tip 4 is comfort. Make sure you're comfortable. Since filming requires sitting in one spot for hours on end, you can get really uncomfortable and sore. I always find myself sitting in really weird positions that make my legs really sore. Recently, I've been using a pillow or a blanket to sit on so I can be comfortable while filming. Comfort can also deal with food and water. If I'm hungry while filming, I do go get some food. If I'm sweaty or tired, I get a glass of water. While filming, I recommend eating something not messy. For example, Cheetos get your fingers all orange and sticky. This could get on your doll's face, hands, feet, or your set pieces. I typically eat goldfish or some sort of fruit. Also, I like to stretch every so often. I usually set up scenes under my desk, and filming these scenes can make my back a little sore. Comfort is overall very important while filming a stop motion. And lastly, tip number 5, videos to keep you motivated. Lastly, for this tip, I'm going through the types of videos and music I listen to while filming. I don't watch TV when I film, or else I will get distracted watching the show or movie instead of filming. Obviously, it's up to you. I usually listen to really upbeat or chill music. I don't watch the music videos, or else I will also get distracted. While I'm watching YouTube videos, my go-to playlist is Rockstar 13 Studios' Making of Wildwood. I also watch other random behind-the-scenes videos of stop motions. YouTube story times or other videos where you don't have to be looking at the screen are also great so you won't get distracted too much. It's really up to your personal preference though. My other go-to videos, as well as the ones I mentioned, will be linked in the description box below so you can watch them while filming your stop motions. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and now can be motivated to film a stop motion. Leave any video suggestions you have in the comments below because I will definitely do them. And stay tuned for my summer movie coming out in the next couple of weeks. And also, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support and all your sweet comments on my behind the scenes videos. I promise my movie is coming out soon. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for a video next week. Bye!